everyone, we are back again with a new English video for you from Advocate Bapu Sahib Bhonde High School. Now children, most of you all must have gone for picnics with your parents or from your school too. So here is a picnic where the children have gone in a park. So what you can see in this picnic, children? Yes, there are many slides to play on, and some are playing with the toys which they have brought, and some are also seeing playing on the slides, the seesaws, the swings. There are many beautiful flowers and trees and birds too. So children, today we are going to read about a picnic or observe the picnic and write few lines on it by observing it from 4.8 reading time, page number 62. You have to look at the following picture first, and then you have to read the passage below it and write down the missing words in it. So let's first look at the picture. Now what can you see in this picture? Yeah, this is a school picnic where the students have come to enjoy in the park. Some children are playing with the balloon, some are playing on the swings, some are playing on the seesaws, some children are playing on the slides. There are beautiful flowers and also butterflies flying around the flowers, and there is also a man which is having a dog, and there are many trees. You can see a monkey on the tree and birds flying in the sky. So these are the things you can see in the following picture. Now you have to write down the missing words by seeing the following picture and reading the passage. So let's start. Here is the picture and we have to complete this passage by writing the words in the park. Yesterday we all have been to a dash for the school picnic. Now, where they had gone for a picnic yesterday? Yes, to a park, in the park. So you have to write park over here, P-A-R-K, park. Now let's read further. The park was very beautiful. There were green dash. Now what was green? Yes, the trees. You can see here, there were green trees in the park. You can see here. So what you have to write? There were green trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Now let's read further. There were a dash sitting on a tree. There was a dash sitting on a tree. What was sitting on a tree, children? Yes, a monkey. So you have to write here monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey sitting on a tree. Pink and white dash bloomed in the green grass. Now here you can see there are green grass, and white and pink flowers have bloomed in the green grass. So what is the answer, children, in this blank? What do you have to write in this blank? Flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Now let's read further. There were dash flying around the flowers. Now what can you see here? There are flowers and butterflies are flying around the flowers. You can see here butterflies. So we have to write here butterflies, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. Now let's read further. Nina, Yash and I played with a pink dash. Now you can see the three children here, Nina, Yash and I. I means the boy who is telling about the park. So Nina, Yash and I played with a pink balloon. You can see here a pink balloon. So here you have to write balloon, B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. Now Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the dash. Now here you can see two children, that is the boy, one boy, Mahesh and Deepa. They are swinging on the swing. So you can see here. So what is the answer, children? Here you have to write swing. S. They are swinging, enjoyed swinging on the swing. S-W-I-N-G-S, swings. Now Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple dash. Now what is purple over here? Yes, the slide. So Salma is enjoying the playing on the purple slide. So here we have to write S-L-I-D-E, slide. Now Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue dash. Now what can you see here? Here Jenny and Ayush are sitting on a blue seesaw. So they are playing on the seesaw. This is Jenny and this is Ayush. So what they are playing on? They are playing on the seesaw. So we have to write Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue seesaw. S-A-W seesaw. Now I saw a man walking with his dash. Here is a man, you can see here. A man walking with a dog. So what you will write here? I saw a man walking with his dog. D-O-G, dog. We had a lot of fun in the park. So children, these are the missing words we have to write in the following passage. Now let's read the passage aloud again. Yesterday we all had been to a park for the school picnic. The park was very beautiful. There were green trees. There was a monkey sitting on a tree. Pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Nina, Yash and I played with a pink balloon. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the swings. Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue seesaw. I saw a man walking with his dog. We had a lot of fun in the park. So children, this was the passage given in the textbook. We have to see the picture given in the textbook and we have to write the missing words in the passage. So I hope you must have understood this lesson very well. So children, practice reading and keep learning. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for further notification. Thank you.